Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. And oh boy, I'm taking such a nice stretch. Something sometimes we're not able to do when we're in our cubicles and being watched by our bosses. But if you ever dreamed of rolling out of your bed, you're grabbing your coffee, you're starting your workday without having to fight the traffic, guess what? You're in the right place. Today, I will be going over a few jobs, actually three. I try to highlight at least three jobs when I do a video just to give a round overview of what I'm finding in different markets. But if there's different departments and markets you're looking for, please in the comments message me in the comments and specify if you're looking for a job in a particular area or market, and I will make sure that I highlight the companies that have those positions available. Again, here we're just talking all about remote jobs, work from home opportunities, and tips to help you actually land one. Because you know what? Let's be honest, it's a challenge out here. So really what we're trying to do is focus on legitimate jobs that you can do in the comfort of your home. So each week, I'm going to continue to bring you resources, strategies, and open remote jobs that are brand new. So let's jump right into it. The first company we'll be highlighting today is DraftKings. We'll also be highlighting Wing Assistant. And the last company we'll be talking about is Restaurant 365. So, with the first company, DraftKings, we see here, they're looking for a senior product manager. And here the company is focusing on AI more. It's becoming an integral part of their present and future work. So they're really looking for a senior product manager who will lead the strategy, execution, and delivery of their high impact initiatives that enhances their sports data platform. So you'll be guiding against cross functional teams through the full product life cycle, bringing clarity to complex problems, balancing priorities, and aligning stakeholders to a shared vision. What will you be doing? Well, you will define and deliver the next generation sports data platform. You will be partnering with sportsbook, fantasy, and consumer PMs to ensure sports data fuel features, launches, and personalized experiences across DraftKings. Also, you will be collaborating with engineering and analytics. And what they're asking for is at least 7 years of experience in product management with a proven track record of building and scaling successful products. There's also other core values and skills they're looking for here, like strong analytical skills, a strong sense of ownership and accountability, and familiarity with internal tools, and they actually specify them here. So you can look into this a little further, but what they're not asking is for a degree. And the salary range for this position, which is full time, is for 136,000 to 170,000. And that's just your base plus bonus, equity, and benefits as applicable. So, again, the range will of pay will be determined on the role, the level, and location of the position. But this again is a great remote job, and if it really fits into your history, your background, and work experiences, what do I always say? Apply, apply, apply. The next company is Wing Assistant, and they are looking for a talent acquisition specialist. So, in this role as this talent acquisition specialist, you will serve as a vital member of the talent acquisition team. And this role requires the ability to manage and note high volume recruitment, while meeting tight deadlines. So, hey, let's be honest with ourselves. If that is not you, I would say, you know, this is not for you. But if you're used to dealing with tight deadlines and a high volume of work, then this is right up your alley. You will be responsible for conducting one on one interviews and thoroughly assessing candidates and ensuring that they align with the client requirements. So, there are a number of duties and responsibilities, as you can see right here. A few of them say verifying, of course, work references, history, credentials, maintaining accurate, up-to-date candidate information in the ATS system, also ensuring compliance with service agreements. Now, again, they're not asking for a degree; they're just asking for experience. Again, if you have experience in managing high volume recruitment with strict deadlines, then this is the position for you. If you also have experience in hiring virtual assistants with a staffing agency or a strong background in just interviewing or screening or assessment, they're really looking for you. And also, if you have a experience in sourcing candidates through social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. So, a lot of our young people coming into this field, not myself, because I don't know, do I fall into the level of being a bloomer? I don't know which one, a boomer, bloomer, I don't know all these acronyms, what they stand for, but some people are very tech savvy and they are able to use these apps, social media platform apps, and flow seamlessly in and out of Google Meet, Zoom, Skype, TikTok, Instagram. If that is you, you have an ease with this and you have a background with, screening and interviewing, then I would say definitely apply, apply, apply. This is 100%, again, remote work from home. Now, this one does not have a pay scale attached to it, but I would again not wait and hesitate. If there's something that meets your background, please move forward with the application. Okay? Now, the last company we are going to look into is Restaurant 365. They're looking for a customer support operations lead. And I don't know if you're familiar with the company or not, but they are a software as a system company. And they are, as they put it, disrupting the restaurant industry because they have a cloud-based platform, a unique centralized solution for accounting and back office operations for restaurants. So if you join their team as a customer success support operations lead, you will play a critical role in scaling their support function for their next stage of growth. What you will be doing is tracking, analyzing, and communicating performance metrics. You will be streamlining support processes and driving customer support strategy and provide thought leadership. So if you are a forward thinker, you have ambition, you're very proactive, this looks like that type of position for you. Now, again, they're only asking for what? Experience. Experience in SaaS industry or 3+ years functional customer support or customer success operations experience. This looks like a very good position, and their range of compensation starts at $96,000 to $144,000 per year. Again, without a degree, guys, this is awesome. So, if this position speaks to you, I would say what? Apply, apply, apply. These are some exciting roles to look into. Again, this platform that we're using here is for really connecting you with the opportunities, the remote opportunities that are out there. And, I'll come on here, like I said, and try to help you find the right remote job that isn't just about us being able to roll out of the bed in our pajamas and get on our keyboards, even though that is a great, sweet perk. But it's also about growing your skills, building your confidence and creating a lifestyle here that we definitely need in these times that we're living in. We need to be able to have a flex work schedule so we can take care of our families. So with every application, every interview, every rejection you're not hearing back, just keep pushing forward, friends, peeps. Please do. Don't give up. And all of these steps are just helping us to grow, learn, and really get closer to that job that fits you best. So keep going, keep learning, and don't forget to celebrate the small wins. Even a callback or just an interview being scheduled is a small win. Don't forget to celebrate that. And also, if you like the information that I have in these videos, or if you're looking, again, use the comment section. If there's certain jobs you're looking in certain sectors, let me know. But again, I wish you the best success with everything. And if this video gives you value or you find it valuable, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you put on your notification, because then you'll be able to see the next set of jobs that I will be